All right, bud. Do your thing. Do your thing. Show Daddy what you do. Show Daddy what you do. Uh-huh. That's right. What else, buddy? What else? What else, bud? Show Mommy. Show Daddy. What do you do? What do you do? Huh? What do you do, bud? Uh-huh. Is that so? Can you show Daddy how to splash? Can you splash? Can you splash? Can you splash? Do you remember how to splash? Show Daddy. What do you do? Come on, bud. You can do it. Do your growl. You were growling just a moment ago. Do your growl. Well, that was a good burp. Do your growl, monkey. Do it again, buddy. That was funny. That was funny, buddy. Tell that crab. Tell the crab. Tell the crab how you feel. Tell that crab again. How do you feel? Good job, bud. Good job, bro. Now can you show Daddy how to splash? You remember how to splash? Oh, do it again, buddy. Oh, you are funny. Alright, bud, we'll finish your bath now.